Delhi Mayor Shelly Oberoi has also voiced her opinion on the Delhi pollution, wherein she said that pollution does not come under the MCD's jurisdiction. Still, they're trying their best to reduce the pollution in the air. That's a fantastic statement there being made by the Delhi Mayor. We already see that people are trying to ensure that the blame does not come upon them. Let's quickly listen into what Shelly Oberoi had to say. Can we listen in to what Shelly Oberoi has said?
जुरिस्डिक्शन में पोल्यूशन तो आता नहीं है, वो आप भी जानते हैं, दिल्ली गवर्नमेंट का काम है। पर अब आम आदमी पार्टी की सरकार, दिल्ली सरकार में भी आम आदमी पार्टी है और एमसीडी में भी आम आदमी पार्टी है, तो हमारा पूरा कोलैबोरेशन के साथ हम लोग पोल्यूशन पर काम कर रहे हैं। और एमसीडी की जहां तक रही बात, हम लोग वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट पे काम करते हैं। सबसे बड़े जो हमारे बड़े लैंडफिल्स हैं जहां से गैसेज बाहर निकलती हैं, और आप देखेंगे आसपास का जो इलाका है वो ज्यादा पोल्यूटेड रहता है। तो 24/7 वहां बायो माइनिंग हो रही है, वेस्ट सेग्रीगेशन हो रहा है, और जो वेस्ट हमारा सेग्रीगेट होता है हम उनको वेस्ट टू एनर्जी प्लांट्स में और सीएनडी प्लांट्स में रिसाइकलिंग के लिए भेज देते हैं। तो आने वाले टाइम में हम पूरी कोशिश करेंगे कि पोल्यूशन का लेवल दिल्ली में कम हो, क्योंकि दिल्ली में अब काफी लोग ऐसे हैं जिनको हेल्थ इश्यूज होने लगे हैं, पर उसके लिए हमें जनता का साथ चाहिए। अब त्योहार आने वाले हैं, दिवाली हमारे बिल्कुल सर पर है, 12 नवंबर को दिवाली है, तो आम जनता से मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी इस पोल्यूशन की जो लड़ाई है उसमें हमारा साथ दें, ताकि हम सब एक दूसरे का अच्छे से ध्यान रख सकें। देखिए, सबसे पहले
let's go across to my colleague Arzu, who joins us on the broadcast. Arzu, if you can also take our viewers, Arzu, through what the Environment Minister for Delhi has said, and Shelly Oberoi, now Mayor of Delhi, making this statement saying that pollution is not a subject under the MCD, but since the Aam Aadmi Party is responsible for the MCD, is in power in the MCD and the state government, we're going to try to work together to ensure that the pollution in the national capital comes under control.
Well, yes, as soon as, the AQI start deteriorating in the national capital, the reaction from the ruling party, in fact, from the opposition is coming in. And now the mayor of the Delhi, Shelly Oberoi, has said that the pollution problem doesn't come under the MCD, but be it MLA or the councillors, all are working together to tackle the pollution problem. She also said that the people, the citizen of the national capital should understand their responsibility and should know how to deal with the problems. The Diwali is around the corner, so the people should understand their responsibility. So indirectly she was saying that the firecrackers are banned in national capital, so she was directing it to that people should not burn the firecrackers in the national capital. Also she said that the waste material management comes under the MCD, and they are trying to work on that department. They are sending, because there has been a gas around the landfill side where the garbage is deposited. So the department is working, the MCD is working to send all the garbage to the CNG pumps, so that the garbage doesn't produce much gas around the areas. So the MCD is working, be it MLA or the councillors, the Aam Aadmi Party together working to tackle the pollution problem.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.